attach great importance to Director General Tedros' call to vaccinate priority populations in all nations within the first 100 days of this year. We also attach great importance to the difficulties facing the practical implementation of COVAX, in particular the huge vaccine supply gap in February and March. So at the request of the WHO, China is ready to provide 10 million doses of vaccines to COVAX, mainly to meet the urgent need in developing countries. We hope all capable countries will take real actions to support COVAX and WHO's work, help developing countries get vaccines in a timely manner, and make their due contributions to mankind's early victory over the pandemic.